Hi, I'm Dr. Wayne Sutton, and it's my pleasure today to introduce you to a preparation kit we designed to hopefully make your life easier and certainly make your restorations in your dentistry more predictable on a daily basis. First burr, and when we're going to do a preparation, is a round burr, a round diamond burr. The burr number is C801-021. This round diamond burr is an ideal shape and depth to simultaneously place a gingival cut, a gingival margin, and when used correctly can really give you an ideal margin for conventional or CAD/CAM restorations. It's a key, I believe, to allowing the ceramist and the computer to really see a defined margin. The second burr in our series is burr number MADC-015. The 15 stands for 1.5 millimeters. It is a self-limiting axial reduction diamond designed to allow the ideal amount of tooth removal for an all-ceramic or porcelain-fused metal crown in the anterior or in the posterior. Really, these burrs allow you to get the proper depth axially and the proper thickness for a very predictable restoration, and it takes away the guesswork. It gives you the depth that you need. Our third burr in the series, or third step you might say, is burr number H57-FG. This is a carbide burr, and I use this to break contacts where adjacent teeth you do not want to touch an adjacent tooth. You can come through the interproximal area with this burr and really without ditching or hurting any of the other adjacent teeth. Also, the burr is excellent to remove old restorations, so it'll minimize the number of burrs you have to have on your kit. The next burr in line on step number 4, if we're following an order of a preparation that I like to do, would be burr number MADC-020. This is a 2 millimeter self-limiting axial reduction diamond. Again, dropping this diamond into a surface of a tooth, giving you exactly 2 millimeters of occlusal clearance. That's one of the biggest problems we all run into now and then, is a difficulty in seeing across occlusal tables and guessing really where the 2 millimeter mark is to give us a predictable and strong restoration. This burr is great for that. It really takes the guesswork out. Perfect to work on occlusal depth in posterior teeth, really. You can also use this burr on incisal edges in full coverage anterior crown preparations to give you the 2 millimeter of incisal depth that you need. The next step, or step number 5, would be burr number SC379-023. Essentially a convex football-shaped burr. I like to use this burr to essentially wipe away the depth cuts on the occlusal that we've done and giving you a nice smooth V-shaped central groove and fossa for the proper 2 millimeter thickness. Great for lingual surfaces of anterior teeth also, so you can use this burr in both situations. And it essentially gives you your occlusal clearance. And you know you've got that 2 millimeters you need when you use this burr after the depth cuts. Next burr in step number 6, and this is kind of my workhorse burr for most of the prep to finish it out with, is burr number SC856-016. This is our chamfer diamond. It's a heavier grit chamfer diamond burr. We use this to blend all of the reduction planes and finish all the interproximal margins. I'm thinking when I'm using this burr, I want to get it real close to being finished with this burr. Essentially, all the preparation should be about done, and really you could stop after this burr and have a really nice preparation. The last burr and the last step would be step number 7, and that is burr number 856L-020F. F for fine. It's a really nice burr for making a totally polished preparation. Again, walking around the prep and making sure there's no sharp line angles, walking across the margin. Really nice to refine all of your preps and make them as clean as possible, take all the sharp points out. Really important when we're doing CAD, especially, that we have a glassy finished margin. The computer does not want to see any chips and ditches in the margin, so this burr is fantastic for that. I actually like to turn the RPMs down on my electric and run this without water. A little bit of air now and then just to fine tune, or I call it polishing. This is my polishing burr. So used correctly, this series will allow you to really give the ceramist and give the laboratory what they need to return a beautiful restoration for you that has all of the natural strength needed, and it really makes it predictable. Nothing nicer than when you cement your crown, you know everything's there, predictable and strong, and really drops right into place like we commonly see. So that is a summary then for the perfect preparation kit that we developed. I'm glad that you could take a moment with me today, and hopefully you can utilize these burrs to help you provide your patients with the very finest dental care possible. Thank you very much.